welcome back to my channel SAP PPQM. So yesterday we have completed the production execution process. So today's session we will learn about how the sales order get created and how the outbound deliveries get generated with reference to the sales order. So now we have the final product is available in our plant and in the storage location 0001. So once the stock is arrived in our storage location for the final product, okay, so then we need to create a sales order with reference to customer requirement. So to create the sales order, the T code is VA01. Okay, so VA01 is a T code. In the search option you can enter the T code VA01 and hit enter. So you can see downside you can check the create sales order page is loading. So the order type is we need to enter sales order. Okay, so these many order types are there, so according to the requirement you can update. So I am taking the sales order as or standard order I am taking. Okay, and enter. So the order type is an OR, we have given standard order. So here I am giving the sold to party. Okay, the sold to party and ship to party based on the store customer address. Okay, so here you can check these are the sales organizations are available for this sold party. So I will provide this as an example. 00 as a division I have given. Click enter. So our final product name we need to type. Okay, electric bike FG, and how much order one order quantity sales order will be generate, and 1000 location, sorry 1000 plant. Enter. So here it is giving an error like electric bike FG not defined for sales organization and distribution channel, language DE. So for this type of error you will get when you created a new material. So in this case you need to enter the language DE in the material master level for this sales organization and storage distribution channel. So what we need to do is we need to open MM02 screen in another tab. So MM02, enter. And here in the basic data one view, okay, continue. So here we have additional data, guys. So in additional data here we have only one language, English language. So I need to enter DE, German language. Okay, DE means that is the German language. So here I am giving the testing FG. Okay, so once we have given this data, click on save. So once the languages get updated, then we can again check whether the error is occurred or not. Okay, so now the electric bike FG's changes are saved. Now I will again go back and again I will enter VA01 OR as a standard order, sold to party 1000, ship to party also 1000. So here I will give the again the final product and plant 1000 plant. So I will select the distribution channel, enter. So you can see there is no we don't get any error. Okay, some pricing error is getting MWST. Okay, no need to worry. So we will save this sales order. So once the sales order is get created, so we need to check what are the incomplete logs. So go to change mode, enter. So to check the incomplete logs we have options like edit. Here there is incompletion log field is there. So click on the incompletion log. Here you can select all. We need to complete this error. Okay, click on continue. I will give this 1 kg. Continue. Now go back, save. Okay, now it is saved. So now you can check in MD04 the sales order number get generated there as well. In MD04, so you can see the order is generated. So for this final product, one sales order is generated, that is the required. So that is why it is showing 1 minus. Okay, so whenever the stock is there, it will show plus symbol, but if the sales order is appeared, then it will show as a negative symbol. Okay, so now with respect to the sales order, we need to create a outbound delivery. So to create outbound delivery, the T code is VL01N T code. Okay, continue. So here we need to give a shipment point is 1000, and so here we need to give the, okay, this one sales order number is, okay, so we need to give the sales order number here. Hit enter. Okay, so I think there is incomplete log is still there. Go to incompletion log data, pricing error is there. So we need to give some pricing for WMST. So MWST, I think. Okay, so you can give some price for one piece. So it is showing there is no condition records are there. So with reference to sales order, I am going to create outbound delivery. So here the outbound delivery get generated. Now we need to do post goods issue. So we need to post the outbound delivery to customer. How we can post? We can do the, so we need to select this line item and we need to click on post goods issue. So once the post goods issue is completed, then 601 movement will be updated in background. Okay, I will show you that one also. So the outbound delivery get posted. Okay, so suppose if I want to check, so if I enter, so you can see the outbound delivery is completed. If I go to goods movement data, you can see the total goods movement is completed. Okay, so if you want to check the status overview also, you can see the goods movement is completed. Now what we need to do is we need to create a billing. So billing of this document we need to create. So where we can create the billing invoice means we need to give the invoice to the customer. So VF01 is a T code to create a invoice document based on the sales order or outbound delivery. So if you hit enter, you can see the outbound delivery number is get updated as a document number here, and once you click on hit enter, you can see the delivery is updated on. So we need to save. So there is no billing document. Okay, 1 second, I will EF01 enter. copy this one, click on save. If there is no logs are generated, so this is currently still it is processing, so that is the reason it was not still get updated. So we will check again, we will refresh this one again, enter status overview, it is showing as a completed. Okay, build status still it is shown, see, yeah, okay, no problem. In MB51 we can check. Okay, so MB51 is a T code to check the material document list, guys. So I will give material number and I will give plant, and if I click on execute, you can see how many movement types are executed for this material based on the material document. If I click here, so you can see initially 101 is happened. So again 311 movement is transfer posting, guys. So previously the material is available in 0001 storage location and I was updated to 0003. So that is why it is, I moved the stock from one location to another location, so that is why 311 movement get updated. Now once we once we post goods issue the outbound delivery, the 601 movement will get updated. Okay, so that is why here we can see 601. Now if we go to stock overview and if I click refresh, you can see the electric bike FG final material one quantity get disappeared. Now we will check again, we have 01. Okay, so you can see now there is no error. So what we will do, we will save this billing item. Okay, so you can see the document number is generated. So if you want also you can check in VF03, this is the billing document. So these are the list of items which are sold to customer. Okay, so based on the profit center it get updated the costing related part. Okay, and this is the reference outbound delivery number. So this is the total one make to stock cycle planning with final assembly, and in next session I will explain about make to order planning. Okay, so yeah, I will show you some other things as well. So this is MB51 T code to check the material document list. Okay, and now if we check the PIR, okay, now here you can see we have given one quantity in PIR MD63. Now if I recheck here, okay, you can see here it is showing as 0, and if we go to schedule lines you can see the withdrawal quantity. So when the stock is sold to customer, the PIR will reduce and withdrawal quantity get updated. Okay, so previously it is one quantity, and when we post the outbound delivery, then it will get updated one withdrawal quantity in MD63 screen. Okay, and we can check in MD04 as well. So you can see now there is no requirement and no stock is there for this final product. So in the same way you can check for SFG also. So for SFG also there is no requirement. Now I will show you for raw material. So there is no requirement. So this is one complete cycle, okay, for make to stock planning with final assembly, and I hope you will understand this process. And for more updates you can follow my channel, and I will in next session I will show you the make to order planning as well. Okay, strategy 20, make to order planning. Thank you. So guys, today we have completed one production process cycle. Okay, so after completing the production process, like after getting the stock into our plant, so what we need to do, we need to create a sales order. Okay, So how we can create a sales order in T code VA01, and while creating sales order we need to check the incompletion log. Okay, if there is any incompletion is there in the sales order while creating, then we need to complete those steps. And with once the sales order is get generated, and with reference to the sales order we need to create a outbound delivery. So how we can create a outbound delivery? Through the T code VL01N. Okay, so once the outbound delivery get created, we need to perform the post goods issue according to the stock location. Okay, so in which area the storage, in which storage location the stock is there, we need to update in outbound delivery, and we need to update the picking quantity also. Okay, once outbound delivery is created, we need to perform, and we need to update picking quantity and perform the post goods issue. Okay, if PGI is completed, then stock is sold to customer and planned stock get reduced. Okay, the planned stock will be reduced when the post goods issue is completed. And when we do the post goods issue, then 601 movement will get updated when we perform the post good issue. And where we can check in MD 51 T code. Okay, material document list, and we can check the material document list in T code MB51. Okay, and after completing post goods issue, we need to create a invoice billing document in T code VF01. So the based on the outbound delivery, we need to create a billing document, guys, in VF01 screen. Okay, so this is one complete cycle, and these are the steps for sales order creation related part. Okay, I will update here sales order or outbound delivery related steps. And so once the 601 movement will updated, then we can check in MD63 the withdrawal quantity get also updated and the PIR is reduced. And we check in MD04 also the FG material get reduced and there is no stock is available in plant or storage location area. So this is one total complete cycle, guys. So for make to stock with planning with final assembly, strategy group 40. So I hope you understand this process. So for more updates, please like and subscribe my channel. And in next session I am going to discuss about make to order planning, guys. Okay, how the planning is carried out in make to order and what are the prerequisites we need to update. So everything I will update in the next video. Okay, so if you have any questions also, you can do the comment section. Okay, you can update in the comment section. I will try to answer those questions. So I hope you understand this one cycle process. Okay, so thanks, guys. Thanks for watching PPQM channel. Have a nice day.